Today, welcome to questions and answers. Let's get started. Whoa, why it's getting so dark? I can't see anything. Okay, wait. What is this for? It is for you to have questions. Okay, let's get started. When did you get start collecting LPS? I start collecting since 2010. And you?
Me?
Yeah. When did you start collecting LPS?
Collecting? Oh, first I go to the LPS town and I collect there.
Okay, so be loud your voice next time. Okay. Next. Who is your favorite LPS? Oh, me? I love all my LPS, but since I can't choose anyone to, yeah. And you?
Oh, I like Adashan because it's too beautiful and princess.
Okay. You too. Okay. Next question. When did you start finding LPS Dachshunds? Oh, I start finding them since I am 8 years old. Maybe 8 years old or um 9 years old or 7. Yeah, yeah. And you? When did you get start finding LPS Dachshunds?
Because I see in the shop and I like to choose them.
Okay, so that's your question. Okay, last and not but last and not least, number. Okay, how many LPS do you like? I like 500 LPS. And you?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, I like 10.
Okay. So about you questions. Okay. How old are you now? Oh, I won't tell you. Because if I tell my age, then all our people will know. Yeah. Next, you. How old are you?
Oh, I'm 10 years old.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, really, I'm serious. Okay. Next. Wait, I gotta think. Oh yeah, yeah, I know. When did you what is your name? Oh, my name is Daniela, and you?
My name's Nana.
Okay, so you are you twins? No, of course. Okay. Um, what do you look like? Uh, um, uh, um, ex- oh my gosh.
Ouch. That's really hurt.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I really won't tell. Okay, so that's that's all. Bye bye.